And this is another way of showing the same kind of thing. So I've got two species here, A and B. And these species, I'm just simply saying from the start, are relatively similar to one another, but they don't share gene pools. And so they can be subject, because they're not sharing gene pools, to evolutionary divergence, either selection or genetic drift. They're becoming different from one another. And I'm indicating that by showing the two species becoming farther apart physically from one another. Here we're showing an anagenesis event where species A is turning into species C. And then species C can further diverge from the other species. And here we have species B. It's diverged from species A, but then there's a speciation event, but this is cladogenesis. So one species is turning into more than one species. And one of those species goes extinct, and the other species simply further diverges from the population that we're calling species C. So you've got these populations, you've got these species. The species can diverge. They can look different from one another. Their DNA can change. And they can also speciate. And when they speciate, they can give rise to a single new population, or they can give rise to more than one population. And they also can go extinct. And all of these various ideas are captured within the concept of macroevolution. So macroevolution is this divergence of populations, as well as variations in the amount of speciation that's going on, as well as variations in the amount of extinction that's going on. But it's all occurring above the level of species, and we call that macroevolution.